Hi everyone, welcome to SystemEver. In this video, we are going to show you how to create customer payment entry. The screen's function is to enter the payment from your customer. Before we show you how to create customer payment entry, let me give you some brief overview. Advance from customers is the button for you to acknowledge the down payment. Advance means the payment you receive from customer which is not related to the invoice because you are not issuing the invoice yet. Thus, you have to check the box and go to Advance from Customer Clearing in the next process. Invoice Detail Inquiry is the button to show up the invoice detail from your customer. This button will work after you select the customer. The Invoice Detail Inquiry will not show up if you did not issue the invoice. So that was about the overview, and let's move to the main topic. We can process the customer payment entry after invoice created. This scenario I'm going to process is using Note for entry the payment. And these are the steps. Please take a look. Go to customer payment entry, enter the customer name, click invoice detail inquiry to look at the detail of invoice. Select invoice number, enter the deposit detail or payment type by using Note receivable. This system is not restricting to a type of payments. We can add some deposit classification based on your company regulation. You can also add more than one another deposit classification, the amount, bank branch, and so on in another below line. Enter the deposit amount. The deposit amount in local currency is automatically filled out by the system. Enter bank branch and bank account. Entry note number. Entry not receivable bank branch. Entry the due date. Entry the issue date. And also the issuer. Then click Save. And go to Journal Entry. Check it again. And save it. This dialog box will appear when someone didn't enter journal entry in Invoice. All you have to do is enter the journal entry in Invoice. You can also see here that original journal entry number is not registered yet. After you enter the journal entry in Invoice, you can save it. This dialog box will appear when your director or your manager didn't approve yet the payment using Note Receivable. After you had permission to process the Note Receivable, you can go to Journal Entry and save it again. After you had permission to process the Note Receivable, you can go to Journal Entry and save it again. So that's the final of customer payment entry. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Should you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp or drop us email. SystemEver, making your business better.